Hey there guys, Tyrese Joyner here, and I'm in my car again. I had to warm up my car because I had to thaw out all my windows because they're all icy. Well, of course, because the reason why there's a lot of snow outside right now, because we had a blizzard out here last night. Remember, it's Alaska, because we always have snow blizzards. Yeah, where it's snowing too much outside. Well, I've been living in this state for a very long time. But lots of weird and bad weathers keep happening here in Alaska. Because during the winter time, we just have some rain weathers. We have some snow day weather in the past. Yeah, because throughout this 2010-2019 decade, we've been having some bad snowy weathers, like rain, heavy snow that kept coming down every day. Shit, we always have so much snow out here. I just hope we won't have some bad weathers again, because otherwise we'll have a school closure. Because I have been involved in this many times in the past number of years, throughout this decade. I'm sure we won't have any bad weather, but maybe not, just from time to time. I know this may be the holiday season right now, but we've been having so much bad cold weather in the past number of years. Especially bad weathers too. I just hope we will be alright. I just hope we won't have rain coming down here again like we had one last month. Well, goodbye folks, thanks for watching.